everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. Black Forest Labs just dropped their latest, most advanced AI image generation model, and it's called Flux 1.1 Pro. This model is a game changer in the AI world, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it for free. Yes, you heard that right. Completely free. As you can see, these stunning images on the screen are all generated using Flux 1.1 Pro, and you too can create images like these without spending a dime. Let's dive right into it. Now, I know you're eager to get started, so I'll cut straight to the point. To grab Flux 1.1 Pro for free, head to the website I've linked in the description below. Here's the cool part. When you sign up, you'll automatically receive $5 worth of free credits, which is more than enough to start generating some jaw-dropping images right away. It gets even better. You'll also get your very own API key to unlock the full potential of this tool. So here's what I suggest. Pause the video, click the link in the description, and go ahead and register. It's super simple. You can even use your Google account to sign in, which is the quickest way to get started. Once you've done that, you'll see your balance in your account, and trust me, it's really worth it. The cost per image is just 3 cents. Yep, only 3 cents. So with your free credits, you'll be able to generate a ton of images without breaking a sweat. Once you're signed in, head over to the Playgrounds section on the website. You'll find 3 playgrounds: chat, language, and image. Naturally, we're here for the image generation, so go ahead and click on Image. Now here's a key step. When you land on the image playground, it will default to the Flux 1.0 Schnell model. Don't worry, what you need to do is click on the model selection and choose Flux 1.1 Pro, which is the latest and greatest version and the one we're focusing on today. Now that you're ready to generate, you can input your own prompt to start creating your images. You can even tweak the settings to your liking. Adjust the number of results, the image size, and the steps to get exactly the output you want. Let's run through a quick example to see just how powerful Flux 1.1 Pro really is. Trust me, the improvements from the previous version are clear, and the results are only going to get better as this model continues to evolve. So, that's it. You now know how to get your hands on Flux 1.1 Pro for free and start generating stunning images with just a few clicks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, and drop a comment below letting me know which image you think turned out the best. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy generating.